What are TikTok Shop listing tools? TikTok Shop listing tools are digital solutions designed to help sellers create, manage, and optimize their product listings for better visibility and sales performance. These tools simplify the process of writing product descriptions, uploading images, managing inventory, and analyzing listing quality. The goal is to make listings more appealing to both TikTok's algorithm and its highly engaged user base, ensuring maximum exposure and conversion potential. With tools like Helium 10, sellers can enhance their listing strategy through keyword research, SEO optimization, and performance tracking. Helium 10 helps sellers find high-performing keywords, analyze competitor listings, and identify areas for improvement in titles, bullet points, and descriptions. This data-driven approach ensures every TikTok Shop listing is fully optimized for discoverability and engagement. Many successful TikTok Shop sellers use Helium 10 to monitor listing performance and adapt to changing trends. They test different visuals, captions, and product descriptions to see what resonates most with their audience. Combining creativity with analytics allows them to continuously refine their listings for stronger visibility and higher conversion rates. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to professional listing tools that help you create, optimize, and grow your TikTok Shop presence with confidence and precision.